not the best view, but been watching the sunrise kind of for the past 20 minutes now. Honolulu coffee.
We gotta be with the quickness.
And you're like, well, this is the person I pursue romantically. And then at some point that shit's over.
Oh, that was an ugly cut.
Why was I thinking it was the other kind of omelet?
What did you get?
1, 2, 3. Zack!
Free Sunday. Damn, that is the angle of no. Like, they're in the.
One voice, one movement, the journey of our Cera people. Without further ado, I present to you Tahita.
Spread the word about our culture. We love it. He's a great leader. Great teacher.
Uncle Turtle for president.
Sana maestro.
Sana maestro.
Zen maestro.
Zen Maasi.
Refreshment. Because I need a burp.
Let's take a picture. And we'll sort, babe.
So for little kids, Zack. This is for the babies. It's a crab!
It's a gaga. Oh, it's a zuzu, right?
Bangla.
Mud crab, mud crab.
Oh.
So cute. Full circle.
Just being a narrator.
Goopa, there you go.
Trying to see if you can guess the word or read it right. I don't know.
You know what? I don't know. I remember my
I'm a tomorrow practitioner. I'm gonna use all my resources.
So it can be
Nice.
used as a rice basket or tomorrow style diamond ring. The biggest rock you ever seen.
Thank you.
Not these parrots rotating around looking like rotisserie chickens.
What is it? Because I don't know. Boing boing.
Zack found Uncle Danny again.
Is that Boisha? Gar? Up? Ha'awi.
So does Hawaii mean to give?
And then I said, you know, they told me how big Fort Hood, bigger than Matt's place. I said, you know, I said, and they just, it didn't dawn on me how big it was. I mean, because you just drive in and you're there.
Yeah.
So I could tell you, I've been to Lean, Texas. Fort Hood.
It's still like that today.
It's like, what are we doing? Like, what's going on? Is the military not working today? Or? Yeah.
So Francis used to be a senator in Guam. He used to work executive at Bank of Guam and all that stuff. But the only blemish on his resume, he's class of 75 at FD. Because class of 76 was B class.
The best.
See, Danny's still smoking some really good shit.
Oh, look at that. That's cute. Cute pictures. Oh, that's why you look.
Okay, well, Zack's
This is
Think the opposite.
The name of the ship is a Valiente. The winds blow up loud.
If you're gonna, I know, I'm like, if you're gonna sing it, can you sing
Yeah, I didn't feel it.
It's right there. Oh, what the heck? Zack, hurry up. Hurry, get it. Oh, he got the big one.
Big ass over there. That sounds heavy.
I'm scared. Okay. Yay! That was good. Ooty tow. Ooty tow. Why do I say it like that? Ooty tow. That's how you say it. That's the practice one. That went in my face. Hold on.
Wait down.
No, I don't want you to record me. Oh, he's playing it? For the booty down. Hold on. Tutorial. Hey.
Once you're ready,
Wait, go back.
The other
Oh
way.
man. I hate you. I just throw. Stop. We're doing a little performance for you.
Go.
so to make sure that it's on there, do a little couple cradle swings. And then
There you go.
that was also above your head. Point.
Did it really? Did it really?
You're right.
Go, Cam.
Wrist.
A little faster.
Wrist. There you go. There you go.
I think she hurt herself.
I think John's doing the same as me. She's holding the ball.
She did it.
So much power.
She said she did it. Oh my god. You go, girl.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go.
There you go. There. Good job.
Up.
I swear to God, if you get it.
Now.
No, let it go. That is pretty fun. Oh, that's a big bug. Yes, Sarah.
I'll try. What if he throws it at me?
I'm so sorry.
Such a good bonding.
So that's pink summer right there.
Yeah.
And the sunflower.
More memories for us.
3, 2, 1.
It's so perfect.